Hi, welcome back. Ambika here from Gooey.AI. We look at how to use LLM prompting in Copilots today. This is going to be a very short tutorial. It's just going to include understanding what this instructions space is meant for. Now here you'll notice that we have a Copilot already open, which is called Clean Slate Copilot. You can choose from any ones in the examples. You may already have Clean Slate Copilot inside of your saved section here. What we are going to do is we will just add a basic idea of what this Copilot should be doing. Now your Copilot could be around health, it could be around agriculture, it could be around education, or so many more things. So the core is to explain to the LLM that this is what the purpose of the Copilot is. And this is very important because it sets the tone for the Copilot in context of answering the user. So here it says more or less nothing. It just says you are a GUI base and it's an assistant built on OpenAI's GPT. So we're going to remove this entirely and we will say you are health bot. I'm going to build a small health bot maybe which speaks about the ideas of hypertension. So you are a health bot. You focus on conversations around hypertension and BP. You are an assistant to doctors and healthcare providers, right? But this is not enough. We also need to explain to the bot that, hey, these are the things you can do and then these are the things you can't do. Now, for example, you may have used commonly various chatbots in the market. Sometimes they end up answering incorrectly to questions that we ask. So the first thing that we'll do is we'll say, do not answer any questions outside of this particular subject. So here we are speaking specifically about hypertension and blood pressure. So we want to make sure that if you ask a question that's outside of this scope, that it says, I'm sorry, I cannot give you an answer. So we'll say something very simple like, do not answer questions that are not related to hypertension and BP. If a user asks you an unrelated question, you must reply I'm sorry, I'm here to assist you with can't answer this question. Oops, answer this question. Right. Now, the other thing obviously that you might need is that the bot, now that it has a name, must also greet new users. So we can say here, if the user says hi, you can reply with hi, I'm HealthBot. I specialize in hypertension education and BP education, I mean. Oops. How can I help you today? Right, so this is a basic idea. We are continuing with GPT-4o for this example, and I have not added anything else to this clean slate bot. I will, however, clear what's written here. So I'll just hit clear. And then I will say hi. And let's see, hopefully it will give me this particular message here. So it did. So it said, hi, I'm HealthBot and I specialize in hypertension BP education. How can I help you today? So that's done. Now the piece that I want to check whether it answers a question that's not related. So I'm just sitting here in Udaipur. It's pretty warm here. It's almost reaching 40 degrees. So I'm just going to ask about the weather. What is the weather like in Udaipur in the summer? So hopefully it shouldn't answer. There you go. So it says, I'm sorry, I can't assist you. This is really important because it allows for the conversations not to steer away from what's important for that particular Copilot to do. So that's it.